Hello, all you coin aficionados out there, and welcome again to the DC Coin World International Coin Channel. Today we have for you a 1 Deutsche Mark coin from 1971 from the Federal Republic of Germany, or West Germany as it was called at the time. As most of you remember, or may not remember, but Germany was split into two, an East and a West, from 1945 to 1990. This was a coin from the West Germany, or the Federal Republic of Germany, and the East was called the German Democratic Republic. So what we have here is a 1 Deutsche Mark coin. This is the back of the coin, or the reverse. In the very outside, we see that there is a beaded edge. We see that it says Bundesrepublik Deutschland, or Federal Republic of Germany. In the center, we see the symbol for the Republic of Germany. And at the bottom, we see stars and an F in between. F is the mint mark for this particular coin, and F stands for Stuttgart. There were also mints in Munich, Karlsruhe, and Hamburg at the time, but this is the Stuttgart mint mark. The eagle, which is the symbol, is on the reverse. If we turn it over to the obverse, or front of the coin, we see what we see on all German coins of that time period, and that is something to do with an oak leaf or an oak branch. In this particular one, we see there's an oak branch on each side of the top with the value in the middle, and then here it says Deutsche Mark, and then down at the bottom we see the date, 1971. Around the outer edge, we see a beaded outer edge, and this particular coin has lettering, or it's not actually lettering. It's essentially symbols going around the outer edge. See if we can see those a little bit better. So when you get to this particular coin, you will see that it has these marks around the outer edge, which makes it a little bit interesting. They call it an imprint edge in Numista. So when we look at the front, we see the oaks. We see the 1 in the center. We see the 1971. And this particular coin is a copper nickel coin. It weighs 5.5 grams, is 23.5 millimeters in diameter, and 1.75 millimeters in thickness. Its alignment is up, so both sides of the coin face up. The mint mark is center at the bottom, and this coin in the Stuttgart, which is the mint mark for this one, 28.275 million of these were made. At the Munich mint, there were 24.5 million made. At the Karlsruhe mint, there were 16.375 million made, and at the Hamburg mint there were 25.214 million made. So this particular mint, the Stuttgart mint, made the most of them that year. This is not a particularly valuable coin. It's interesting because the mint which has the biggest value on this coin is the D mint. So if you find a D, it's probably worth over $1 US. This particular coin is worth maybe a quarter, 50 cents. And what's interesting about that is that in 1971, the Deutsche Mark was a very, very strong currency. And it actually was trading in 1971 at about $3.63 US. So if you had this coin in 1971, before it was demonetized, and before the euros were made, this coin would have been worth $3.63. Of course, it went down over time, so by the time it was actually demonetized, it was worth probably about $2.50. So that's our coin for today, the 1 Deutsche Mark coin from 1971. Please feel free to subscribe to our DC Coin World International Coin channel. And if you have any remarks or comments, please feel free to leave them on the channel. Thanks again.